If you're getting this email, most likely you have equity, debt equity sitting in your property. Hi, my name is Diana and I'm one of the team leaders here at Toronto Platinum Realty team. And today I want to talk about refinancing your property. So many people who have bought properties 2, 3, 5, 10 years ago are currently sitting on a lot of equity. So not only have you paid off a good chunk of your mortgage, but appreciation has allowed your property to build a ton of equity. And what is that equity doing for you? Probably nothing right now. So my suggestion to a lot of my sellers who want to get into real estate investing is refinance your property. A lot of people most likely don't have $100,000, $200,000 sitting in their bank accounts, but let your property work for you and make you money. Take out some money from your current property. With the low interest rates that we have right now, you could really benefit from this. It's really cheap to borrow money right now. Take out money from your property and start buying investment properties where you can make positive cash flow. We have helped so many of our clients get into real estate investing through this avenue. If you want to know more about this and you want to have a discussion with us or get in touch with one of our mortgage brokers, please reach out to us and we would be happy to help you. Our number is 647-977-9752, or you could simply just reply to this email. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.